Binance Anti-Phishing Code. Enable it, or risk losing your account. Hackers love when you skip this. Must watch or regret later. Welcome to the 6th video of Crypto for Beginners series. Dear viewers, recently I received this email. It notifies me about my recent login and urges me to secure my Binance account. So, I am about to do that by clicking this button. Thanks to Binance for helping me secure my account. But, wait a minute. Is this email really from Binance? Apparently, yes, because it shows it's from Binance. It includes my email address, my IP, and other credentials, all accurate. So naturally, I am tempted to click the link and secure my account. Should I? No, I shouldn't. I am not going to do that. Why? Because this email is not from Binance. It's from some hacker.
Oh no!
Amazed?
I am Abdullah, and you are watching the YouTube channel, DIGITDON.
How does a hacker get all this factual information? I will do a comprehensive video for all this separately. How do I identify official mail from Binance? Here, I just want to draw your attention that as platforms like Binance, other crypto exchanges, and Web3 wallets become more advanced, hackers are becoming smarter too. They approach users in such convincing disguises that they seem more authentic than the real thing. But how did I know this email was fake? It's from some hacker, not Binance? I recognized it because it didn't contain my anti-phishing code, the one I personally set up, a code that only Binance and I know. Want to see what an official email from Binance to me looks like? Here it is. I am fairly sure, no doubt, this email is officially from Binance because it contains my anti-phishing code, the one clear sign that separates real emails from fake ones. Stay with the video. Don't leave, don't skip, and secure your Binance account right now. Smarter scams, bigger threats. You know, the most dangerous part of this whole phenomenon is what happens if you click a link in one of these fake emails from a hacker pretending to be Binance. He might not take any immediate action. Instead, he could wait patiently for weeks or even months without raising any suspicion. During that time, he may keep sending you similar emails, silently stealing your personal information, passwords, and account credentials, all while monitoring your activity. How? Its worst part. All this time, you would think you are providing sensitive information to Binance, but in reality, it's going straight to the hacker just through your own responses and actions to those emails. And the moment he sees a valuable amount in your wallet, he will strike and wipe out everything in your Binance account. How dangerous is that, right? What if the damage is already done? After learning all this, the two questions that just popped into your mind are valid absolutely. Is it possible that my account has already been silently compromised because of something I unknowingly did in response to a fake email in the past, and the hacker is just waiting for the right moment? My answer is, yes, it absolutely could be. And even if I set up my anti-phishing code right now to identify authentic emails from Binance in the future, how can I undo the actions I already took unknowingly in response to such emails in the past? My answer is, stay with the video. Don't skip a single part, and you will find a valid solution for that. By the end, your account will be completely safe. All you know now is, this is why, as soon as we install Binance, the app recommends us to activate an anti-phishing code. Binance strongly recommends activating this feature as a first layer of defense against phishing, which distinguishes fake or malicious emails and SMS pretending to be from Binance from the original ones. Scammers use identical-looking messages to trick users into giving away personal information, passwords, or even funds. How does anti-phishing code work? When you enable the anti-phishing code, Binance will include this unique code created by you in every official email and SMS they send. Only Binance can display your personalized code. Scammers and hackers can't replicate it. Good part, you have to set up the once only, and you are safe all the time. What's up in today's video? By now, you must have realized how important it is to set up your own anti-phishing code in your Binance. So, in today's video, initially, I will show you how to enable the anti-phishing code and protect your account in future. And secondly, I will brief you, how can you undo the actions you already took unknowingly in response to such emails in the past? How to enable anti-phishing code in Binance. Usually, Binance prompts you to activate this code right after account creation. But even if that prompt did not appear or you ignored and skipped it that time, you can reach up to this setting manually. Here's the way. Open Binance app. Tap on Hamburger menu. Tap on Profile. Then on Security. And here it is, your anti-phishing code settings. Tap Activate Now. Tap Create. Now, create your unique anti-phishing code. This must be between 6 to 8 characters. Your code must include at least one uppercase letter, at least one lowercase letter, a number, an underscore. We have formed our code. Tap Submit. Because this is a major security update to your Binance account, Binance will now send you an email verification code to ensure it's really you making this change. Wait for the email. Copy the verification code. Paste it into the app, then tap Submit. And that's it. Our anti-phishing code is now enabled. How to spot the difference? Let me show you the real-world difference this makes. Here's an old email I received before activating anti-phishing code. Even though it appears to be from Binance, I have no way to tell if it's authentic. It could easily be from a scammer. We can start process of setting anti-phishing code by tapping this also. Now, here's a recent email after I activated my code. Right here, I can clearly see the anti-phishing code that only I know, which means this email is definitely from Binance. How to undo? If the damage already done. How can you undo the actions you already took unknowingly in response to such emails in the past? It's very easy. After setting up the anti-phishing code, rule out any chance for failing to identify malicious email and SMS from scammers pretending to as Binance. Now you have to change your Binance account password and then ensure you have completed Binance KYC, have enabled SMS verification, have activated biometrics, and have added emergency contact. What next? Here, I would like to clarify that we have already covered how to complete Binance KYC and how to enable SMS verification with Binance. Today, we have set up anti-phishing code, and in next 2 videos, the 7th and 8th of the Crypto for Beginner series, we will learn how to activate biometrics and how to add emergency contact in Binance account. Stay blessed till then. Have a good day. I would be truly glad and deeply encouraged if you ask me anything, share your suggestions, or leave a review in the comments section. I'm sharing the comments and prompt responses from viewers of one of my videos, just to show you that I read every single comment and truly enjoy responding to them. Whatever you write, even if it's a criticism or goes against me, I will treat it as a mandate for improvement. So please don't hesitate to comment. Your feedback will empower me and motivate me to work even harder for you.
We're sure this content has been valuable for you. If you found it helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and share this video. Also, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more useful and exciting content coming your way. That's it for now. See you in the next video soon. DIGITDON, the name of trust and reliability.